Introducing the 2012 Porsche Cayenne. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All the premium features expected of a Porsche are offered, including a built-in garage door transmitter, front fog lights, and power seats. Porsche ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.